Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're doing a garden update video. So as you can see right now, these are our eggplants. They are growing very good. We just watered, so trying to keep up with that. Got the rain barrels hooked up, and the transfer pump is still working after all these years, which is good. So now we're going to move on over to squash and zucchini. So this is a squash, as you can see from the previous video when we planted this, how much they have grown. We're starting to get flowers, which is a great sign of, that should be starting to produce some squash. So very excited about these, how they're growing. So here's our zucchini, and this is growing just as well as the squash. But as you can see, when we zoom in here, we got our first flower of zucchini, which is a good sign because I mean it's going to start producing zucchini and that. So I mean these are growing very good. We've been watering from the hose for a little bit, but we got the rain barrels hooked up because they need to be cleaned out a little bit better and stuff. So we're actually now going to rain barrel water, which is a good thing. So these are our tomato plants. So right here we have the Cherokee tomatoes, and we have two Romas, which is really good, and then we have our little basil plant, which is growing really good. So we're excited about this tomato box plant. And then if you didn't see, we actually added a second to get more tomatoes and basil on that. So we're really excited to see how much tomatoes we're gonna get, so we can make our own sauces, can it, save it, for a rainy day and stuff. So, but starting to see really good growth out of these guys. As you can see, our baby pumpkins are growing, and they're growing very quickly. So, which is a good thing. We're hoping to see a lot more. As you see, these are growing even better. So, if you see my videos in the past, from about 2 years ago, because we didn't do one in 2025. It was a good thing because my father passed away, so we didn't have time to manage the garden. But these pumpkins are growing. These mini pumpkins are growing great, and we just can't wait to see how well they turn out. These two are the jack-o'-lantern pumpkins that you can see from when we planted them to where they are now. They have really sprouted up. My wife and I are very excited to see what we're going to be able to get from the minis, as you just saw, to the jack-o'-lanterns one. In the years past, this used to be where we have our eggplant plants at, but we moved them up front, so we're trying to something a little bit different this year with the garden. Here's Latte. She's going to be turning 15 this year. Our sweet baby. She loves being outside when we garden. This year's a little bit kind of tough for us, as I kind of said. One of the previous spots that, my father passed away pretty much, it'll be a year on Father's Day, so that's going to be kind of hard. And then we had to unexpectedly put Mocha down because she had congestive heart failure, fluid around the lungs. So, but we still have our little senior latte that we love, and as you can see, she uses the ramp, which that video, if you haven't seen that, please go check that out. Thank you. And last but not least, we have our peppers here growing. We have green, orange, and yellow. Got something eating them, so we're going to put some diatomaceous earth on there, try to help with that. We've had that issue in the past, so that works very well. But that is an update on the 2026 gardening video. Just wanted to let you know. If you guys can please write in the comment section below how your guys, if you have a garden, how's it going? Are you having good success, growth, and stuff? I'd love to hear about that. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.